This is one of
finally.
my favorite maps.
Yeah, for me
It's very fun. The first vortex, you will not be blown in, but the next ones will have you blown in. Oh, hey, the Feral Bureau Investigation agent's on my side. If I were you, I'd hold on to something.
It's official. My internet sucks, and I'm probably gonna disconnect. The worst thing you could ever see,
Hold
bro.
on. Well, technically, you're not going to be sucked in yet, but soon enough, you will be sucked.
That sounds.
That sounds weird.
Mm.
My gadget! My doodad! My doodad.
Sorry, I was about to come and dropkick you, but you're on my team.
Yes, please do not drop
My
kick
favorite-
your teammate.
My favorite thing has been eliminated. You can't destroy me, yellow.
I am not a friend.
Dead.
I
Okay.
am a ninja! I am a ninja
now.
warrior!
No,
I'm gonna
dead.
grab something.
I died.
Green, if I were you, I grab it. Think I
Really
can't grab it in
fast.
time, but just go grab this. Yellow, yo! That's it, you're coming with me, Yellow Buster. You can't stop me. You're coming with me, Yellow. If I'm going out, it's with you, Yellow. Yellow, you're coming with me. Yay! I died. I made your... Oh. I am inside the tube in the vortex. I was inside that tube in the vortex. I am a ninja warrior. Just say anything weird.
Oh
Like,
man, that was a good punch.
guys, I am a good punch.
Wants this nunchuck. Yeah, Bruce Lee the bear.
I am a sleeping bear. Oh, man, I am barely alive. Regenerate. My agent! No! That's a you, bear! Bear! You! Oh, you think you can take my agent out? Too bad.
Yeah,
I'm in the tube again. Just standing
it's
there.
official. It's official, guys. My internet does suck. It's official,
Yay.
official. Yeah, you know,
Oh,
right?
this
It's
guy was
so
doing
fun.
nothing.
Yeah,
That's
it's so
my
fun
friend.
leaving and rejoining. And having to wait like 40,000 years for me to reconnect. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, no. I'm holding on to a barrel. Thank you very much.
I'm hanging onto a bear. No, a bear is hanging onto me. And I'm hanging
Yay!
on to
You're buddies! Oh, hey, bear. How are you?
Help.
Nice to
Help.
know that. Hey,
He didn't even say
Hail the
anything.
Red Skull. FBI agent, help me! Oh,
No.
man, I'm hiding my little hut.
Ah. Oh, you are.
Taking a little nap. FBI agent,
Yeah.
do not give up. You will make it.
Well, 90 million kids have gone missing this year, so I kind of can't.
Oh my god! Are you sure they have been deported to El Salvador?
I don't know.
Because they're actually doing that. They are deporting kids to El Salvador, even ones with cancer.
That's horrible.
It's messed up.
Horrible, that's what I said. No. Oh, frick.
Don't worry, you're okay.
I'm going to disconnect next round. If I
Man.
disconnect,
Okay, have fun with that.
yeah, I need to talk to my father about this. Lives AFK, guys.
I am your father.
You are not my dad.
That's what they want you to think.
You're in Florida, bro. I was born in America.
Yeah, so am I. It's called near the Canadian border, but not in Canada.
Oh my god,
It's
I swear to
called
God. Yeah, I'm about to disconnect.
maple syrup number 2. The Seek. I seek out a bear. One that's black, has a white collar thing, and is not attractive in any way. I would grab on something if I were you. Like how I am.
Then you disconnected, like you said.
I've returned after having horrible
Yay.
internet. Yay!
am alive and I love it. Hey, bear, how are you? That's delicious.
The dog and she hates it.
I am very delicious. You should eat me. I think we're just Zeus. I think I'm Zeus and you're
This is like
Groot.
Rocky versus Apollo.
Apollo 11.
Apollo
That
11.
was a fake moonland. That was Moonland, the Moony Moon.
Moony Moon.
Ooh. Ah,
I was playing on my computer for a sec. Oh, Jesus.
go ahead. Come on. I'll grab onto you, you grab onto me.
And I don't have a teammate again.
You duck! Oh,
Why is
I
the duck
barely
grabbing me?
There's a duck grabbing. That's harassment.
The duck-
That's harassment.
The duck is grabbing my
You
butt.
duck, you harass. Oh, hey, I hit a bear. I love it.
Oh, Jesus.
I love hitting bears, don't you?
Thank you.
You're not welcome. If anything, you're, I don't know what to think of you. Agent down, I'm a loser.
So you probably love.
I ran a $50 studio.
No, you didn't.
Do you think I'm good? Also, here's a
$50.
bomb to add to the mix. Here is a dangerous bomb to add to the mix of adrenaline.
Dangerous.
I am.
Okay. The
It's
unicorn.
my agent you're about to deal with. They're sus. Unlike
Boom, boom,
you.
boom, boom.
You're not
Oh,
even
spin it.
close to the sus rank. Now get drunk and get
My
good.
spinach. It's you. They made that for me. Oil.
Quick.
That was a good kick.
You are the kick. You're the Kickstarter.
Oh.
You bear. You unlovely bear. Here's a fish. Eat it.
Yum.
Yeah, that was a tough game. I didn't even have a teammate, and you guys all had teammates.
I was literally
Except for
disconnecting my-
Green, Green and Blue didn't have teammates, actually.
I was literally disconnecting most of the time.
Oh, I'm holding the duck. Buddy, you look scared of me. I'm just behind the duck, and both of you look scared.
Push the beat up bridge. My favorite map. I can just throw people off and break the rope. I love beat up.
I'll break my rope. Oh yeah, right. Beat up bridge.
Yeah.
Clear feels like being against the bridge and being hit by me. I think that's a very good option. Thank you, Logan. You're welcome, Logan. You're such a great son. You think so great, Logan. Thank you. I know it.
Oh, I was about to say it's only us three.
Man, I don't have a team. Oh wait,
Jesus.
I don't have a teammate. I'm a loner. A big fat loner.
I guess so.
And your teammate's a duck.
Yep.
Just like this guy.
Yep.
Rah! You just saw. Oh, man, I'm a frozen mess. I feel like the bear hates me.
Yeah, you hate the bear. The bear
Well,
hates
yeah,
you.
you guys did like 3 straight games of bear hate.
No.
I am bear hay.
I did 72,000 strikes disconnecting. No, I'm about to. No, you're gonna wake up.
Beyblade.
Beyblade, really? So that's what came to
I
your
don't
mind?
know. It's popular where I go.
Oh.
I don't even know what it is. All I know is you spin.
It's a type of toy that children. Each other and launch.
All I know is
classroom
kids
windows.
like it and I
Yeah, that happened in my
don't.
classroom.
It's why I have no friends. Because I can't even compete. Because I don't like things literally everybody else at my school's like. Like basically all the brain rot stuff. Like excuse me, toilets. That
Yeah, I
kind
hate this. Yeah, like you, I hate this. Poop. Nobody got the poop, dang it.
Yeah, I don't know why. Either they're too brain rotted, they don't. And the thing is, I get boy at school for liking electric cars.
Yeah, don't say mine was blind.
It's almost my death.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Jeff the land shark. Hold on, bunny. You're almost there.
Gosh.
Oh, hey, a
Jesus, a
drug!
Okay. It's a potion, not a drug.
Man, that was a very good drug. It did nothing, but I guess I might. I think
It's a little
that's
bit.
about to break. Oh, no!
Who fell first? You fell first.
Yeah, I did. Oh, what the heck? Did you
Bridge.
see that?
Just a poop. Somebody poop.
Bridge just
Okay.
glitched for a second.
Bridge is just bridge.
I just it glitched. Thank you, Bear. You are gonna get I don't know. I'm sussy. Now here's a banana and a banana.
Why do somebody get in this place? Monster.
I am a banana.
No. What? Let go of me, move.
You're gonna
Brick.
fall, and you know
Brick.
it.
Yeah.
Brick! I like bricks!
Your name is Brick.
No, actually, it's Bozo.
Yeah, this one's normal.
That's not my actual legal name, but eh. Sorry, I'm not telling you my legal name. Otherwise,
My real name is Doofus.
That's a very good name. Your parents must love you.
Yeah, they actually
They gave
do.
you
It's
that
actually
name.
Not it's not Doofus. And I'm 91.
Yay! You're old.
I'm gonna die.
I feel like a living man. Of course, I'm not a man.
What?
Neither am I a woman. But I'm not in between.
Identify as a piece of weed.
I love food. The alligator's on top of me. I need help. Mwah,
Baby's
mwah.
just watching.
Also, I kind of have to go.
Okay.
Oh, just give me a sec. Bye-bye. Have fun.
I'm gonna be beating people up. So fun, I know. Let's go. Put the money in the back. Oh, Jesus.
Why do I see a skin? I don't see some skin. But what was that? No, I just got here. Just down, dude.